So, can you tell me about your previous work? What do you do?
Yeah, so I mostly do, I have a lens-based practice with video and photography, and I like to incorporate that with doing fun things outside. So I often research different Māori narratives of the landscape and use that as a starting point to go to those places, and then develop some work either on location in those places. So it's often in the conservation estate where quite a few of the narratives take place, which means I can go hiking and tramping. And then I use whatever format I guess is applicable to that narrative, whether it be photography or video, to make work. While I've been at Marsden, I've been really enjoying the dark room and the supply cupboard with all the paper and chemicals. So I've been doing lots of cyanotypes and photograms, and I've been just picking plants from the garden, so preferably native plants, and trying to identify them and using those to develop just quite simple, I guess, exploration of those plants that are right outside our doorstep.
Nice.
Yeah.
And what have the students been doing?
They've been doing that as well. So with the year 10s we did quite a lot of cyanotypes, and so I think that was a fun process to take them through, because it showed how light works. So we were able to use the cyanotype chemicals, paint some paper, collect the plants, put them on the paper and send them through the UV box, and then go wash it, and then they have this imprint of these plants that was used, light was used to get it there. Yeah, and then with the year 11s we did some photograms, and then with the year 8s we're making camera obscura structures, which are structures that they're making kind of like small huts that are freestanding and they're dark, and then we'll put a lens in it and you'll be able to go in it and it'll be like you're inside a camera, and that will be in the show as well. And then we're covering it with builder's paper, and then they can draw on it as well. Yeah, so that is very fun.